Hey there, I was digging up old stuff and found this old cell phone, and I noticed that it doesn't turn on, and even if I connect the charger to it doesn't respond at all after even a few hours. So let me show you a method that I use to kickstart the battery in a phone like that, because what exactly happened, it has a very small battery, and over time there's a protection circuitry here, and even the battery discharged itself. Over time it dropped under 3 volts or 2.7 volts, and the protection circuitry disconnected this battery completely. And when I try and take a look at the let me show you, when I try and take a look at the other way around, the voltage over here is completely nothing. So and some of the phones or others, older stuff, won't start charging if there is no battery basically connected or found. And this specific situation means that you won't be able to kickstart this battery into life, even though this battery is fairly okay. I mean, it will hold a charge. So in this instance, what I usually do, I take one of the boards like that, and those are charging boards for lithium ion batteries. So I can now take some leads, and in this instance I only have two battery terminals. You may see the battery terminals. Make sure you only connect plus and minus. There could be also a temperature battery terminal, which it's only for the temperature sensing. So we will use one of the boards. I will talk a little bit about this one, because those two boards are based on the same chipset. Not sure if you can see here. It's basically TC4056, and in this instance A. So they are basically the same board, except this has also circuitry to output 5 volts from the battery. So I won't be using this one. Let me connect the battery minus. Also, they can come in other shapes and other connectors. In this instance I have micro USB ones. So let me take my power bank and charging lead. So that's really simple setup. Other way around. And here we have it. The red LED means it is charging. So let me just show you the voltages here. If I switch to the voltmeter, and let's see. We have 3.5 volts, 3.6, and so on. Those simple chargers, the lithium-ion chargers, modules, basically, you will be able to find this something like this on AliExpress or eBay. It's called basically a lithium-ion charging module. As you can see, the voltage is increasing. There is a bit of glare, so you should be able to see now. So it's fairly okay, and when I disconnect the terminals, it doesn't take a long time. Often I just leave it for 10 minutes maybe, just to see. And now if I check the battery level, see, 3.4 something. Let me just go find the charger and see if that kickstarted the battery enough so it will charge by itself. So let me just connect my my LED over here and put the battery. Yeah, see, it's on. I can even turn it off. Insert SIM card, it started to charge, so everything is good now, but it didn't respond at all previously. So that's pretty good result, and this is how you can jumpstart the older lithium-ion batteries with protection circuitry that won't charge using your default charger, and will require a device like that. And that's a good idea, because it's always safer to use a specific charger for the lithium ions. You would be able to kickstart those batteries using direct 5 volts, but you know, that could be a bit too much. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something.